super tight. Oh my god. This is the life right here. Good morning, guys. Welcome again to whatever it is we're doing here, making videos while travel. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. What is going on, guys? I'm Philip Murillo. Welcome back to another vlog, another day, another life in the day of Philip Murillo, traveling around in his RV. Today's gonna be pretty cool. We're heading to some ghost towns I know about, right outside of Flagstaff. The ghost town we're heading to first is called Two Guns. That's probably why I was doing this to you guys. Check it on the map. All right, let's see, what else can I talk to you about? This morning, I am drinking this ginger and mint tea. I've been feeling really shitty lately, you guys. It's not very fun. I don't know if it's something I ate. I feel like it's just, I gotta stay clean, you know? I gotta wash my hands more. I gotta wash my face more. I gotta wash my dishes more. That dude up there, that guy almost hit me. Ha, you're on my vlog now, boy. All these people are gonna hate you because you're a shit driver. Ha 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 ha. It's so windy out here. Crazy when it's windy. I'm carrying this fat wind guard of a screen. Yeah, it's getting very desolate out here. This is legit. Oh my gosh, there's so much cool stuff around here. Man, this is super cool. I was kind of not expecting something like this at all. All right, we here. Hello everyone, welcome to another Philip Murillo vlog while I adventure all around in my 1992 Toyota Winnebago. You already know what it is though. Now, if you didn't shoot a montage here, were you even here? I stole that from someone. Then we're gonna go explore some awesome buildings, just like this one right here. All right, while I walk to the ghost town, I want to confess something real quick. Yesterday, while I was sick in bed all day, I watched 4 seasons of The Office. 4 full seasons. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Do I have a life? I feel a lot better actually, you know, telling someone that. So, cool. All right, here we are. All right, my goal here is to reenact the things that these people did around here. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom here. I assume this right here is some kind of courtyard or something, so I'm gonna have some lunch real quick. I'm assuming this is one of the offices here. Ring ring. Michael, hold all my calls right now. Okay, thank you. All right, bye. Jim, you're so dumb. Gosh. I gotta stop watching The Office. All right, I don't really know what this is. There's a lot of actually like really cool technology. I'll show you in a second, but right now it's time for across the screen dancing. I'm back. Yeah, let's check out some of this area. Huh, interesting. Yes, I know I broke out of jail just so I could break back in. All right, guys, I found it. I found the pooping station. I'm sitting where others have pooped. Dude, this is so cool. Dang. There's a can over there. Shut up. What's that say? Curb. Hey, Kirby. What you doing, Kirby? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm Philip Murillo. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Philip Murillo Vlogs, where the chapters, the stories, the adventure continues. Safe travels out there, and I'll see you next time for chapter 3.